Hello, fellow actors at TAMA, Thompson Approach Mastermind for Actors. Listen, I'm going to challenge you today. It's not going to be long, so stay with me here. I'm going to challenge you, change your focus. Change your focus. CYF. Your focus. If you're focusing on too many things, then those things will take over your life. Time. They'll take all your energy. And consequently, you won't know what to do with your money, because there's three things in life that we have to deal with, that we deal with every day, subconsciously or consciously: time, energy, and money. I collect silver coin, for example. Now, how do I do this? I use the three elements or arenas that we use each day. I just mentioned them. Time. I took the time to educate myself in the art of silver coin. I use my energy, which is my focus, to focus on what I'm learning. And because of that, I'm prospering financially with silver coin. And if you want to know more, I can tell you. But my point is, education has allowed me to understand how money works a little bit more. It's the same thing with your acting. It's the same thing with your life and your relationships and everything. You have relationships with everything. But what are you focusing on? What are you focusing on? I challenge you today, and here it is. Close all your windows. I don't mean the windows in your house. I mean close all your windows on your computer, except the one or two that you're working on. Because that way you will focus on one thing. You will focus on one social media platform. You will focus on one project at a time. You don't need to be all over the place on the internet. Acting is or is not, correct me if I'm wrong, it's staying in the moment, correct? All right.